In this video, we're going to take a look at our A3500i, our top-of-the-range Vitamix in the Ascent series. Comes with our interlock lid technology, which means if you remove this lid, your blender will stop, which is a great safety feature. Our two-part lid also comes with little pouring spouts. So if you're adding some superfoods to your smoothies or something else to your cocktails, it's a great addition to our machine. Full-size 2-litre container, laser-cut hardened stainless steel blades, and our variable speed dial, which gives you complete control over the consistency of your blends, whether you want a chunky salsa or an ultra-fine puree. At the front, we have this sleek touchscreen interface, which is easy to wipe clean, and our pulse functionality here. So if you want that burst of power to chop your ingredients or knead your bread dough, you have that option. Also comes with a built-in digital timer, so you never over or under process your blends, and 5 pre-programmed settings. We have smoothie, frozen dessert, hot soup, puree, and a washing up cycle. So this gives you complete walkaway convenience with your blender. Just simply fill your container with ingredients, choose your setting, walk away. When you come back, your dish will be made and your blender will have automatically switched itself off. Comes with this great tamper stick, great for making frozen desserts, and we have our fantastic cookbook packed full of recipes and great ideas. The A3500i also comes with our self-detect technology, which means it's compatible with our family of optional accessories. All backed up with our full 10-year warranty, this is the A3500i.